has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the northern Winnebago County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Menasha, or 11 miles west of Appleton, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Menasha around 6:25 p.m. Appleton around 6:30 p.m. The northern Lake Winnebago around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Neenah, Allenville, Mikesville, Larson, UW Fox Valley, and Clarks Point. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Winnebago, Wisconsin,